Fats are the most calorie-dense macronutrient at 9 calories per gram, yet most hard gainers barely touch them. Here is why that is costing you hard-earned size. Trying to bulk on chicken and rice alone forces you to eat a stomach-stretching volume of food. Fats slip extra calories into any meal quietly, no bloating required. Funny moment: imagine sitting down to your 5th chicken breast of the day while your dinner guests are still on salad number 1. Fats solve that problem before it becomes a dinner party problem. Fat contains 9 calories per gram, more than double protein or carbs. A 2024 metabolic review in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed that monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats support favorable hormone profiles in active individuals. Hormones like testosterone also rely on fat as a structural precursor. Your hormones simply will not peak on a low-fat diet. 9 calories per gram, that is more than double carbs or protein. A single tablespoon of olive oil adds over 100 calories to your meal without a single bite needed. Step 1. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or 1/4 of an avocado to every meal. Step 2. Keep a small handful of mixed nuts nearby, roughly 180 calories in your palm. Step 3. Keep a jar of natural peanut or almond butter and take a scoop between meals for 200 extra calories, no chewing required. The myth says fat makes you fat, so cut it. The truth: dietary fat does not directly equal body fat, especially in a calorie-managed bulk. Healthy unsaturated fats from nuts, olive oil, avocado, and nut butter support your hormones and quietly fill your calorie targets without the stomach stretch. Today you learned that fat is not the enemy, it is a calorie-dense shortcut. Start adding healthy fats to every meal starting today. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 10, we uncover liquid calories, the invisible 400 calories per day you have been missing out on.